Greetings, Earthlings. Hungry called me earlier, and he's so sick with my miserable whatever I had, and he's not sleeping at night. He's coughing so much, so he asked me to make him some cough syrup. So, here's what I have in the bowl. I have a stick of unsalted butter, 2 cups of brown sugar, a teaspoon of cinnamon, half teaspoon of nutmeg. If you don't like nutmeg, use allspice, and a pinch of cloves. But go ahead and use the nutmeg because it really does make this cough syrup work. Well, you just smush it all up with a fork. Well, I need to hold the bowl still, so I'm going to smoosh it up while you wait. You can do this part with your mixer, the smooshing part, but I need mine to make some whipped potatoes. After you smoosh it all up, pack it into a wide mouth jar. See? Perfect fit. Cap it up and put it in the fridge for, I don't know, till Hungry gets home.
Where's my cough syrup? Can you bring me some?
Of course, my darling. Okay, so you put some in a cup, and then you have to pour boiling water on it. Okay. Stir it up really, really good so the lumps are gone. Oh, you know how to stir. I better go give it to him before he croaks.